It's the year of the dragon coming up, and you'll need a marker and a golden thread. And fold up one side of the head, and you'll see the sticker. Dot the eye. There's marks where you can fold it. There's a dotted line to help you with that. Fold up the other side and dot the eye. Then poke out the eyes so that they're facing forward so you can see them while the dragon's flying. Lift up the nose, and there's a dotted line there to fold that up as well. And then the string will fit in behind the eyes, and the whole thing will lift up entirely and become a lovely hanging dragon that can twist and turn and fly in the breeze around your house for New Year's. And you're left with a lovely golden dragon at the end.